On July 17th, a significant milestone in aviation engineering was reached as the first production GE9X engine left General Electric Aerospace's Peebles testing facility in Ohio, destined for Boeing. This event marks the transition from development to implementation for the engine that will power the Boeing 777X family. The GE9X is currently the largest and most powerful commercial aircraft engine, boasting a thrust of 134,300 pounds. The GE9X faces competition from other high-thrust engines in the commercial aviation market, notably the Rolls-Royce Trent XWB and the Engine Alliance GP7200. The Trent XWB, which powers the Airbus A350 XWB, delivers a thrust of 97,000 pounds, while the GP7200 used on the Airbus A380 produces 101,000 pounds of thrust. However, even these impressive engines fall significantly short of the GE9X's capabilities. The Trent XWB, which comes closest among the competitors, still lags behind by a substantial 37,300 pounds of thrust. It has been designed to address several key areas in aviation technology, with efficiency being a primary focus. The engine delivers a 10% improvement in fuel efficiency compared to its predecessor, the GE90, which is expected to result in cost savings for airlines and reduced fuel consumption. Noise reduction is another crucial aspect of the GE9X's design. The engine is engineered to be quieter than previous models, potentially reducing noise pollution around airports. This feature addresses growing concerns about the impact of aviation on communities near air travel hubs. Environmental performance is also a key feature of the GE9X. The engine is reported to have 50% lower emissions of pollutants such as carbon monoxide, particulates, and nitrogen oxides compared to current industry standards. This significant reduction aligns with global efforts to minimize the environmental impact of air travel. The GE9X incorporates advanced materials and design features to achieve its performance goals. It uses ceramic matrix composites, CMCs, which allow for lighter weight and higher operating temperatures. The engine also features a larger fan diameter, contributing to its improved efficiency. While these advancements are significant on paper, the real-world performance of the GE9X will be thoroughly tested once it enters commercial service. The aviation industry will be closely monitoring its performance, reliability, and maintenance requirements as it powers the new generation of Boeing 777X long-haul aircraft. The GE9X offers significantly more thrust than the 777X likely needs for takeoff and typical flight conditions. It may be preferred only for challenging operation environments. The delivery of this first production engine represents a crucial step forward in aviation propulsion technology. As the GE9X moves towards commercial operation, it faces the ultimate test of meeting its performance targets in the demanding environment of day-to-day airline operations. Now, since GE9X engine is overpowered for Boeing 777X and hence costly to operate, let us know in the comments. We bring you some good information on aerospace. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel.